Hello guys, review smartphone VIVO V17 Neo. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Open box, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, device, diamond black color, key for SIM slot, adapter for charging, micro USB cable and headphones. Okay, good completion. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic, triple camera on the back side and LED. On the front side 2.38-inch display. On the right side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, and smart key. On the right side power key and LOM keys, upside without controls, downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, Full HD resolution display Super AMOLED. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. Fun OS, launcher, Android 9, CPU MediaTek MT6768, octa-core 6+2, 6 cores work 1.7 GHz, 2 cores 2 GHz. Mali G52 MC2, resolution Full HD and display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score and debut test results. Close this, look on AutoBench and Auto benchmark score. Close this and open the modded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the max graphic level. It's max graphic level and game works good. Okay, perfect gameplay. Close this and open camera. Triple camera we have. 16+8+2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.